Unong tauan ka UDP wat Menteri ha ka Sarkar MDA2 uba pol lingdo uloang. Bakam mi jingkli ba ka Sarkar India kan persang ban penbor pendon kami ka ktien Hindi ya kibrio ka jalam galaya namar katkum ka Riti Synshar kari India ka ktien Hindi kamde ka ktien ïakren hari India hi baroh kawei. Kani kajingkran uba apol kalong halor kajingkan to unong ilam ka Voice of the People's Party uba Arden Miller basayuman ublakan to baka Sarkar India ka persang pentri kami ka ktien Hindi hamiglaya dagba pa ya ulat ubam nang ya ka ktien English kabaya sung tulud dagi brio hakajalla.
We in the Treasury are supposed to do our duty. But if you go to the rules of conduct of business of the State Assembly, Rule 28 is very clear that a member can make a submission in his mother tongue, provided that same copy of the speech is made available to the speaker. That is as per the rule of this House. Ideally speaking though, when you communicate, I would have preferred an address in a language that I can thoroughly understand. But today, to compensate for that, what I did was read the governor's speech in English, and reading is far better because you can internalize all points of the speech better than listening to a language which I can only half understand. The speech of the governor was placed on the table, on every member's table. 1. 2, what he delivered was an abridged version of the speech. He did not cover the entire speech, which was covered by the written text. Okay? The written text had many pages. The governor spoke barely 15 minutes. There is no question of any imposition to the extent that Hindi is considered the official. Even constitutionally, Hindi is the official language of this country. It is not the national language of this country.